We have a very interesting development. As of today, June 13th, the FDA has recommended KP2 be used in the updated COVID 19 vaccines, which means that the JN1 sublineage KP2 will be in the COVID 2024-2025 vaccine. The reason why this is very interesting is that it went against the recommendation made by VRBPAC. That was the FDA Advisory Committee for COVID target vaccine selection. During that meeting, two things were discussed. The first being that a JN1 lineage should be the target for the upcoming COVID vaccine, where that panel recommended selecting the JN1 variant. Part of why this is interesting is that the FDA did not take them up on that recommendation and instead chose KP2. The next potentially problematic thing is that Novavax comes into question. They only prepared a JN1 variant for the COVID vaccine for this fall. So it will take them 6 months from now to prepare a COVID vaccine, meaning that Novavax might not be available this fall. However, it was briefly discussed during the VRBPAC meeting of expanding the definition. So because what they approved was a JN1 lineage, that could open up the potential that Novavax would have a JN1 vaccine, while Moderna and Pfizer would have a KP2 vaccine. At this time, it's not clear if Novavax will be available, and this could occur, but this is one potential avenue that would still make Novavax available, so I wouldn't count it out just yet. Another reassuring line is that the FDA said the change shouldn't delay the availability of vaccines in the US this year, which makes it more likely, not definitive, but more likely that Novavax will be available as a JN1 targeted vaccine this year.